As the fear augments in the crypto market, we're actually seeing a lot of privacy tokens go up at the moment, or coins, whatever you want to call them. And guys, I just want to talk about it because we've been looking at Dash recently, $130 now. And literally, if you are looking at my Twitter, November 2, I said my full-on guess is that Dash will be a full $100 in the next 24 hours. And then Dash just rocketed up to $130, which is insane. So pretty cool to see this. Is there more space for growth here with Dash? What could potentially happen in this video? I'm also going to show you two other privacy coins that I'm liking the look of right now. Not for sure saying that they're going to go up in price or whatever. And if you are looking to buy privacy coins, guys, check out Bitchniks down below. You might get some beautiful sign-up bonuses, and they are a great exchange to use. Very easy on-ramp, no KYC. Globally accessible. Do have a little look. So Artemis, we can see here on the 7-day period by sector performance, privacy coins are up 26.2%. On the month, 73.8%. So privacy tokens are, of course, paving the way here, as we can see the sector performance, the weighted average here of every type of sector or category of coins. We can see that privacy coins are winning, up 74%, which is just insane. Now, fear does linger in the market. We're sitting at 27 on the fear side of things. Of course, naturally, this is dropping down more and more. It's not looking incredible on the year. And I do want to reiterate, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a psychic. I'm not a, whatever you want to call it, a genius in this space. I'm just someone with my own opinion. So let's have a look at Dash. Wow, wow, wow. We literally looked at this just what feels like 2 days ago or even yesterday. And we're talking about this channel here, how it could have broken to the downside to $76 or plummeted, or rocketed up to $104. And it looks like it chose to, onboard that rocket, and it's gone crazy. It looks very interesting the way it's been trading, almost like it's been curated artificially. It doesn't look almost human, but this thing is pumping crazy now. We can see there is a lot of resistance on this top. This particular top here being $150 is a big resistance, but we also have on the inverse, on the opposite side of the story, we have a lot of buying pressure along this $120 support threshold, which leaves you wondering what could actually happen next. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see a lot of clipping going on at that $150 resistance. Equally, tons of buying pressure at 120. We do have a doji candle forming here at the moment, yet to close, which reflects almost equal buying and selling pressure. Looking at the relative strength index, very overbought. Can see it's divergent to the downside like this. And when we look at the price action, it's not, you could say it is also a negative divergence here because it's sloping down on the RSI and it's also sloping up here on the price action. So, when it comes down, it will eventually come down. And I think with some steadfast about it, but it's hard to say exactly when. We look at trend wave, we can see trend wave, our indicator has not even commanded us to go short, which is kind of crazy. It did actually tell us to go short here, which was completely incorrect. It would have yielded some gains, actually. If you see the indicator, it would have yielded 11% momentarily, which would have been all right. But it's really hard to say right now in this market what the best thing to do is. We know that privacy coins are trending and moving well. That's one thing for sure. So we can follow the meta, we can follow the trend, but to say where it could go is difficult. Now, I'm going to give you bullish and bearish scenario because I'm not going to be like, yeah, this is for sure going in this direction. Bullish scenario would take us to roughly $166 to $160 based on Fibonacci structure. We have to break out from $148 to do so. Bearish scenario, I reckon it will just be our 0.618. So it does take us kind of back down to this threshold between $102 and $111, which looks like a lifetime away. So yeah, there you got it. It's either 162 or 107. You're either a bear or you're a bull, so you can decide for yourselves. If you're looking to buy, into Dash or whatever, you can use Bitchniks over here. It's a nice one to use. You can just type Dash over here and it's being really slow, not loading, which kind of is annoying. If not, you can use MEXC or the other one, which is KSEX. KSEX is very nice as well. But I just hope to see more momentum with this privacy market because at the moment, the privacy coins are, of course, looking nice, but I think we have still more upside overall as a sector. They're worth about $62 billion. Anyways, next coin I wanted to share with you. Firstly, it's this one, PEPE. And you can see PIVX is now available on Change now. It says privacy first, proof of stake shield. And this is the PIVX narrative, which I'm also quite keen to see how it's going to go. Protected, instant, verified, experience the freedom of global digital cash with shield user data protection. So 72.5k followers, and just looking through their X, they are quite active. But what's also important to notice is the history of this coin, because in 2017, these guys had a market cap of 706 million. And you can see, looking at the price performance on the 24-hour, PIVX is up 62%. On the month, it's up 169%. This is a low market cap still at $38 million. Of course, highly speculative. And I would say for sure, if we do see continuation, in my honest opinion, of this privacy market right now, we could get continuation for coins like PIVX based on what's going on and the growth that they're doing. And they're still, pushing fully on X and their marketing, and they're getting new partners like exchange listings. This is pretty exciting. So PIVX is one that I'm eyeing up at the moment, $0.3886. Next up is the Secret coin, $65 million market cap. This is another low one. And historically, the market cap was over $1 billion, $1.4 billion. So it's another one I'm keeping my eyes peeled on. Yes, it's down on the month, on the 30-day, but it's up 21% on the 24-hour period. So I'm quite interested to see. It's got a great circulation versus total supply, which means less risk of token emissions and dilution, which is also another very important factor. Here we can see it says Secret Network. If you've not used Silent Swap V2 yet, do yourself a favor and check out Silent Swap. Simple, easy, blah, blah, blah. We know what a DEX is. We know what swapping is. So it says here, it's powered by the Secret Network. And you can see this is called Silent Swap. So this is something I'm also really interested in. The fact they're building, developing, moving forward, up 21.62% right now is wild, bro. Secret, this is their website. Experience the future of private AI. Build secure AI on privacy first infrastructure. So this is really, really nice to see here, guys. Now, of course, I'm not saying that for sure these are all going to go up. I don't know how much ceiling they've got. I don't know if they'll just go down. It's always speculation. Before we go, please do join the Discord. It's completely free to join. 42.9k members. Get yourself in there. Come hang out with us. And, it'd be great to see more people inside the Discord. The link is down below. And also, if you're considering getting trading signals on a monthly basis, if you want resources, educations, tools, indicators, insights, stealth launches, following the next sort of trends in the market, check out the Patreon, which is linked down below. I want to say thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, hit the notif bell. And we'll see you very soon.